The 2021 National Science and Maths Quiz is produced by Primetime Limited and sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with ABSA Ghana. Highlight of the prelims on Joy News is supported by Cowbell, our milk, high in protein and vitamins. Puppet Pizza, taste it, love it. Ace Medical Insurance, the new face of health financing. Tampico, simply irresistible. You lesson, love learning. DBS Industries Limited, we truly are your roof experts. Kings Group Limited, set a standard. Dole Yogurt, more, I need more. And Smart App.
The preliminary stage where schools that qualified during the regional championship will book their place in the 1A stage of the competition. Competing in the second preliminary stage contest in the Western Zone are Bompe Senior High Technical School, Takoradi Senior High School, and Archbishop Porter Girls Senior High School. You are all welcome to this contest. I hope you give us an exciting context. Okay. So it's a preamble to all schools. In round one, I will start with Archbishop Porter Girls Senior High School. Since it's a preamble, you all listen carefully. Indicate the type of camouflage in animals to which the following refers. Archbishop Porter Girls Senior High. The animal hides against the background of the same color in order to protect themselves from predators and also for hunting their prey. Yes, Emanuela?
Counter shading.
Contact.
Counter shading.
Not correct. For a bonus, the answer is concealing coloring. Takoradi Senior High. The dark spots or stripes found on the animal's skin are usually used to camouflage themselves and to escape from their predators. Yes, Bernard?
Cryptic coloration.
No, that is not correct. For a bonus, should I give my answer? It's disruptive coloration. Bompe Senior High Technical School, the change in animals' appearance or color, which gets the blend with its surroundings by their color, texture, and shape. It is mainly seen in insects like spiders, leaf butterflies, dragonfly, kitty cats, sticky bugs, or stick insects.
Counter shade.
That is not correct. For a bonus, the answer is disguise coloring. Round 2. Explain climax community in an ecological session. Yes, Takoradi Senior High.
Climax community organisms or species of organisms and more plant species.
That is incorrect. No one? Should I give my own answer? Okay. It's the state of relative stability or equilibrium of a species composition occurring when the community does not experience any disturbance for a long period of time. You gave me half of the answer. What mode of nutrition is exhibited by a tapeworm? Yes, Takoradi Senior High.
Parasitic mode of nutrition.
That is correct. Name the part of a flower that provides landing platforms. Give your answer.
Petal.
That is correct. Find the gradient m and the y-intercept c of the line with equation 3x plus 2y plus 6 equals 0. Yes, Archbishop Porter Girls.
The gradient m is -3/2, and the intercept c is -3.
That's correct. And that ends round 2. Your statements. Anaerobic respiration is comparatively longer than aerobic respiration.
True.
That is incorrect. Takoradi Senior High. Complete oxidation of carbohydrates takes place during anaerobic respiration. Yes, Gideon?
False.
That is correct. Archbishop Potter girls, there is an exchange of gases during aerobic respiration where oxygen is released and carbon dioxide is absorbed. Yes, Frimpoma?
False.
That is correct. Bomper Senior High Technical School, the energy of a photon is inversely proportional to its wavelength.
True.
That is correct. Takrady Senior High, the energy of a photon is proportional to its frequency. Yes, Gideon?
True.
That is correct. Archbishop Potter Girls Senior High, the energy of a photon is proportional to the magnitude of its linear momentum.
False.
That is incorrect. We are sticky little crustaceans related to crabs, lobsters, and shrimps. We look like tiny shrimps in our larvae stage, where we swim as members of zooplankton. Yes, Archbishop Potter girls.
Prawns.
That is incorrect. We look like tiny shrimps in our larval stage, where we swim as members of zooplankton in the ocean. At the adult stage, we are covered with calcareous plates and are cemented head down to rocks, pilings, ship driftwood, or seaweed, or to the bodies of large sea creatures. We are suspension feeders, dwelling continually in our shell. Yes, Bomper Senior High Technical School.
Snails.
That is incorrect. Are snails in the sea, which are usually constructed of 6 plates. Who are we? Yes, Takrady Senior High.
Barnacles.
That is correct. We are a pair of species that act to resist change in pH. Yes, Bomper Senior High Technical School. Oh, Archbishop Potter girl, sorry.
Buffer.
That is incorrect. Yes, we form a buffer system, and a specific one at that. We are found in human blood. We help to maintain human blood at a pH of about 7.4. One of us is a weak diprotic acid, and the other is its conjugate base. Who are we? Yes, Takrady Senior High.
So you have H2CO3 and HCO3 minus.
That is correct. I am a type of product. I am not a product of numbers or scalars. I am used to derive compound angle formulae. I am also used to derive the cosine rule. I am a product of 2 vectors. Yes, Archbishop Potter Girls Senior High.
Dot product.
That is correct. The last riddle for the round. I am a law in physics. I govern a specific interaction between stationary particles. I am an inverse square law. I am relevant only to particles with a... Yes, Archbishop Potter girls.
Coulomb's law.
That is correct. I was on the 4th clue, so they get 3 points. And that ends round 4. At the end of the contest, Bomper Senior High Technical School has 15 points. Oh, clap. Archbishop Potter Girls Senior High School has 49 points. And Takrady Senior High School, the winners, with 60 points. Competing in the 3rd preliminary stage contest in the Western Zone are Bibiani Senior High School, Fiasiman Senior High School, and Takwa Senior High School. I'll start round 1 with Takwa Senior High School. Okay? But it's a preamble to all schools. Indicates the benefits that plants or animals obtain by the presence of the following features. Indicates the benefits that plants and animals obtain by the presence of the following features. Takwa Senior High, sunken stomata and the folding of leaves. Yes, Shadrach?
The sunken stomata help plants to maintain water or prevent water loss.
That is correct. Fiasiman Senior High School, spines and shells on animals. Yes, Alidu.
Okay. Spines and shells.
Yes, go on.
The spines reduce the rate of water loss in plant and also are for protection in animals.
I'll give you 2 out of 3. The answer I'm looking for is only protection. Only protection. Bibiani Senior High School, long neck of herbivores. Yes, Joseph.
Long neck of herbivores help them to reach food on a higher ground.
That is correct. For this one, they need 30 seconds to answer. Right? Takwa Senior, it's a preamble to all schools. Identify the following species found on the periodic table, given the information below. Takwa Senior High, mass number 33, neutron number 18, number of electrons 18. Yes, Takwa Senior High.
Arsenic.
That is incorrect. For a bonus. Yes, Fiasiman Senior High.
Argon.
That is incorrect. I'll hold on to the answer. Fiasiman, your major question. Mass number 55, neutron number 30, number of electrons 22. Yes, Alidu. Or which? Ebenezer?
Manganese. Manganese.
I'll give you 1 out of 3. Bibiani Senior High, yours is mass number 66, neutron number 36, number of electrons 28.
Zinc.
Also 1 out of 3. So Takwa Senior High, yours was phosphorus 3 minus. It has lost 3 electrons, gained 3 electrons, so it's 3 minus. Fiasiman, manganese has lost 3 electrons, so it's manganese 3 plus. And Bibiani, it's also gained lost 2 electrons, so it's zinc 2 plus. Are we ready? Are you going to give me a speed race? All right. What is protandry cross-pollination? Yes, Takwa Senior High.
It's a cross-pollination in which the anther matured before the stigma. And it occurs mostly in...
No, that's not correct. In protandry cross-pollination, the anther matures earlier than the stigma, and hence, they are not able to pollinate the stigma of the same flower. Why do all living cells require water? Yes, Takwa Senior High.
To regulate body temperature and for metabolic reactions.
That's correct. What is the role of long-winged reproductives of the termite colony? Yes, Fiasiman Senior High.
They become the male queen and the female queen after nuptial flights so that they will mate to produce younger ones.
That is incorrect. Yes, Bibiani Senior High.
The long-winged reproductive grows and become the queen in the colony.
That is incorrect. I asked for the role. What do? They disperse the population. Disperse the population. Find the coefficient of the term in x cubed in the expansion of, bracket open, x squared plus 2 over x, bracket close, all to the power 6. The answer is 160. Okay. With our substitutions done, we'll move to round 4. Gymnosperms are the flowering plants that are the largest and most diverse group of plants in the kingdom Plantae. Yes,
False.
Sebastian?
False.
That is correct. Fiasiman Senior High, gymnosperms do not have stigma and style.
True.
That is correct. Takwa Senior High, in gymnosperms, the primary mode of dispersion is animals. Yes, Isaac?
True.
Pardon?
True.
Oh, Isaac. That is incorrect. The last set of statements for round 4, BBNE Senior High, the gravitational interaction between two particles is always attractive.
True.
That is correct. Fiasiman Senior High, the gravitational interaction between two particles varies as the inverse square distance between the particles.
True.
That is correct. Takwa Senior High, electrons are not deflected by gravitational fields. Yes, Isaac?
True.
Oh, Isaac. That is incorrect. And that ends round 4. My first riddle. I am the most superior portion of the vertebral column. I lie between the cranium and the thoracic vertebra. I consist of 7 distinct vertebrae. Yes, Fiasiman Senior High. Give
The
the answer.
cervical vertebra.
That is correct. It's cervical. I help to measure large quantities of very small entities. I am a defined unit. I am perhaps the most important unit in chemistry. I am synonymous with the Avogadro's number. Yes, Fiasiman Senior High.
The mole.
That is correct. So I read my third riddle. I am a polygon. The sum of my interior angles equals the sum of my exterior angles. This makes me a quadrilateral. At its vertex, an interior angle is congruent to an exterior angle. This makes me a rectangle. My adjacent sides are congruent. Yes, BBNE Senior High.
Parallelogram.
That is not correct. Takwa Senior High.
A square.
That is correct. I am a named unit in the SI system. I am a unit for a physical quantity that appears in several areas of physics. My SI symbol is a single capital. Yes, Takwa Senior High.
Joule.
And that is correct. And that ends round 5. I was on the 4th clue, so they get 3 points. So at the end of the contest, BBNE Senior High School has 14 points. Takwa Senior High School has 23 points. And Fiasiman Senior High School wins with 35 points. This is a primetime production. I am Dr. Anita Opon, and I was your quiz mistress. Thank you.
The 2021 National Science and Maths Quiz is produced by Primetime Limited and sponsored by the Ghana Education Service in partnership with ABSA Ghana. Highlight of the prelims on Joy News is supported by Cowbell, our milk, high in protein and vitamins. Puppet Pizza, taste it, love it. Ace Medical Insurance, the new face of health financing. Tampico, simply irresistible. You lesson, love learning. DBS Industries Limited, we truly are your roof experts. Kings Group Limited, set a standard. Dole Yogurt, more, I need more. And Smart App.